Welcome to Neural Tech Analytics. Today we're diving into a foundational step of any data analysis pipeline, summarizing and computing descriptive statistics using pandas. Whether you're profiling raw data, handling missing values, or prepping for machine learning, this step sets the tone for everything that follows. Let's get started. Descriptive statistics with pandas. Let's start with some basic but powerful tools that pandas offers for summarizing data. Import pandas as pd, import numpy as npdata equals pd.dataframe, age 25 30 35, np.nan 40 45, salary 50,000 60,000 65,000 70,000 80,000 np.nan. Key methods: data.describe, full summary, mean, std, min, 25%, 50%, 75% max. Data.mean, data.median, data.std, individual metrics handling missing data, data.mean, skipna equals true, data.fillna, data.fillbana, data.mean. Use case: great for a first glance at the dataset to spot outliers and missing values. Correlation and covariance. Next, let's understand relationships between columns. Correlation, data.cor, measures linear relationships, values between -1 and 1. Helps identify multicollinearity before modeling covariance. Data.cov, measures how two variables vary together, scale dependent. Use case: correlation is key in feature selection, especially in machine learning pipelines. Unique values, value counts, membership. Now let's go granular into categorical and unique value exploration. Categories equals pd.series, high, medium, low, medium, high, low. Hash unique values, categories.unique. Hash value counts, categories.value_counts. Hash membership testing categories.isn, high, low. Key insight: great for EDA, exploratory data analysis on categorical features. Use case: useful when profiling survey data, product categories, or customer segments. Real-life application example. Let's put this together in a real-world context. Suppose you're analyzing employee data. Employee_df equals pd.read_csv/content/sample_data/california_housing_train.csv. Print employee_df describe. Hash example: using California_housing_train.csv. Employee_df equals pd.read_content/sample_data/california_housing_train.csv. Print employee_df housing_median_age.value_counts. Print employee_df.core. Use describe to spot salary or age outliers. Use value_counts to see which department is largest. Use core to check if experience correlates with salary. That's it. We've covered the core pandas techniques to summarize and explore your data. Descriptive stats for overview. Correlation and covariance for relationships. Unique values and counts for categorical insights. These steps build the foundation for smart modeling, clean dashboards, and solid storytelling with data. At Neural Tech, we offer industry-aligned data analytics training that leads directly to job-ready skills and real-world results. Visit our website to learn more.